So why is the market selling off? So the ISM non-manufacturing index was just reported and it came in higher than expected. What's going on, team? It's Ricky here with Technical Solutions. NASDAQ market is selling off. You can see that we've been making lower highs, lower lows during the pre-market session, but what caused this dramatic sell-off? Let me explain to you. If you go under the economic calendar, again, friendly reminder, you guys all can have access to any form of economic calendar. There's a bunch of free websites out there. Literally just Google search economic calendar and pick the one that's more favorable to you. So there's 3 different reports that were released, but the ones that really began to move the market are the factory orders and the ISM non-manufacturing index. Again, today's big reports with the PMI and the non-manufacturing index pretty much just report on the overall production level across all manufacturing, or not just manufacturing, but all of production across the United States. The great thing about that is that this report is released month after month. And the expectation was 53.5%, which means that, again, based off of our prior reporting of 54.4%, we would have seen that production is actually going down. And that's exactly what we want to see, right? Well, not we. Someone got offended last time when I said we. When I say we, I mean the Federal Reserve, right? Because everything that's happening right now is all in observance to the Federal Reserve. And it's what they view to be a good or a bad thing will determine if the market goes up or down. And the Federal Reserve wants the economy to feel the pressure. They want unemployment to be high. They want production to be low. They want the economy to contract, right? So why did the market sell off? Well, exactly, right? Production is pretty much higher than expected. Month over month, we expected it to be down, but it's actually up month over month, right? Not only did we not meet expectation, but we're not even below where we were prior month. We came in at 56.5%. And that is what's causing this selling pressure. Again, one of the things that we talk about is I'm not too scared of that report. I don't find it to be too significant. I feel like what the market is really looking out for is that overall PPI report that's going to be released on Friday, as well as the CPI report, which is the inflation report that gets released early next week. We talked about it. We told you that we're going to live stream it. Again, all you literally have to do is subscribe to the channel and drop a thumbs up, and I'll take care of the rest. But I see the market trading sideways unless something significant gets released that I'm unaware of. But as of right now, based off of what we're looking at, if we look at QQQ, which is the NASDAQ market, we can easily see that we are testing old support levels and acting as new resistance levels. We're still below that moving average, and I don't really see the possibility of us really making higher highs if nothing new gets reported. So this is what we're looking out for. We're waiting for that opportunity to present itself when these reports are released. And all we're looking for is for PPI to come in lower than expected and for CPI to come in lower than expected. Until then, I could imagine that the market's most likely going to be trading sideways and or very choppy leading up to that, right? This Friday, and then I think it's Tuesday of next week. It's December 13th when the new CPI report gets released. And again, we talked about that yesterday. We talked about it today. My job is to make you aware of the different economic reports that are set to be released on a weekly and monthly basis to make sure that you are better prepared, right? We can't predict the future. We never will be able to, but you can prepare for it. And if you're aware that there's these significant reports that are about to be released, then hopefully it just allows you to prepare a little bit more in advance. That could mean reducing your position size and or taking a larger position if you expect it to react a very specific way. So I appreciate your time. I'll keep you guys up to date, not only here on YouTube, but on Instagram as well. And that's going to be that 3rd link in the description down below. I appreciate your time. If you have any questions about what we talked about today, shoot me a direct message via Discord. And that's going to be the 1st link in the description down below. And yes, that is free for you to be able to message me. If you have any questions about being able to watch me trade live every single day, that's our Learn Plan Profit group, and that is that 2nd link in the description, and you can watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow at market open. Yes, it's a one-time payment, lifetime access, and I only work on a closer basis with my LPP team. And again, that's that 2nd link down below. I'm using the Webull trading application. That's that 5th link if you're in the US and you want a free online trading platform that's available both on mobile and desktop. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.